the advanced level of Webflow Masterclass. Let me show you what we will be building in this module. So we're basically building a Netflix types experience. So this is a sports event website that has a complex CMS with lots of videos. You saw a pretty cool loading animation that we have here. We also have a full-on menu that opening up with all of the different types of sports that we have video for, and all of this is CMS data. So you can see there's a lot of content that goes in here. So we've got this custom menu that's opening up. You can see very cool custom hover animation that we have here over these custom buttons. And as I'm scrolling through this, you can see that the logo is scaling up back into its position in the navigation. We've got these scrolling bars here. And here we have, as part of the Netflix experience, we have custom CMS slider where we can see videos coming straight from the CMS. So this is not a native Webflow component. And as we're scrolling in here, you can see that I have this title, which is becoming more bold as I'm scrolling. This is variable type. We'll be working with that. And as I've mentioned, we're going to learn to create a membership website because this is a Netflix type of experience. So we'll see how to create gated content. Only if people are going to create an account, they'll be able to access the videos here. In this part, we have responsive typography. So you can see that we have a big type here. And as I'm resizing my screen, the typography kind of resizes to fit my screen. We'll see how to work with responsive typography. And over here, where we have the calendar of events, we'll be able to filter them based on the categories. And you can see this is more complex than what we previously did with tabs, because here I can actually select multiple categories, and we'll learn how to use FinSuite CMS filtering to add this and create this custom interaction that we have here. We'll also be talking about video and video hosting. Actually, let me go through and cover everything that we'll be working on this level. So we're going to do an advanced CMS import. As I've mentioned, this is a complex CMS and so much data in it, you'd never want to do it on your own. So I'll show you how to import it. We'll be using custom code for custom CSS properties to do things that you can't natively do using Webflow. We'll be doing a lot of masking animation in this module. As I showed you, we'll do a custom full screen menu. We'll be working with nested collections. We'll be doing responsive type, as I showed you, a CMS slider. We'll be using the FinSuite CMS slider, as I said, variable type, membership site. So I guess I said everything, right? Working with videos. Yeah, and working with a grid, which is something we touched upon lightly in previous model. We'll going into that more in this module. Very excited. I'm assuming that you went through the previous modules and you have a pretty good grasp of Webflow at this point, because now we're going to kick things up to a new gear where we're going to do everything from scratch, from custom, our own custom CMS, our own custom style guide, not using any UI kit. We're doing everything on our own, and it's going to be fun and excited. I'll see you in the next video.